On Saturday, I'm getting ready to do my first gig of the year. It's a small party, 30 people in a 30 by 30 space. Stay tuned for the gig log for that. But what I like to do, especially on the first party of the year, is get all my equipment set up, organized, ready to go, fix any problems that it may have, and maybe make changes. And that's what I've done, starting with the Pro Event table. The first thing I did was I touched up all of the scratches on this thing. It's black powder coated. It's shiny aluminum under here, so if there's any kind of little nick, it shows up, sticks out like a sore thumb. Now, if you are ADHD and anything less than perfection isn't good enough, you're going to hate this suggestion. However, for the rest of you, a Sharpie. That's all I use, is a black Sharpie. And I would go along and look for any kind of little scratch. I'm seeing if I missed anything here. Right here, perhaps. I just kind of do this. Cover it up. Cover this up a little better. A little bit of a scrape. Not a scratch, but a scrape. Another one right here. I mean, I'm not going crazy with it. I'm just making it look better than it did, you know? From a few feet away, especially in the dark, you're never going to be able to tell. Oh, I see one right here. Get some light on it. Fill in the bad scratches, and then when you go back around, you'll start to see the little ones. They'll stick out. So I've been doing that, and it helps a lot with the appearance of the table. Again, not perfect, but better. And sometimes better is good enough, especially with road gear like this that gets thrown around a lot. I don't bag this or anything like that, so it does take some abuse. Something else I did was I used some gaffer tape and put these little steel plates on the table. I did them on the sides. Did one up here, I did one down here. And again, I used gaffer tape for this. And the reason I taped steel plates to this table is so I could attach the neon picks on here. So with the metal plates in place and the picks with the magnets on the back of them, all I have to do to install these is click, click, installed. Same thing over here. Click, click, installed. Then you take a remote control, turn them on, and they do fun things. I put a video on YouTube up about this, and my friend Matthew suggested I put another bar across here, which I could do. No problem. I'm trying it with 2 this time, just to try it with this small audience. I think it's going to be enough. And with the movement, I didn't want it too busy. Now what I could do is group out the picks or take neons and put one across here in a solid color, one below on a solid color as well. But I kind of like to figure if you're using tripods, you're not going horizontal with these anyway. Horizontal's a cool look, but I don't think you have to do it. So I'm going to try it like this. So that's what I'm up to. I'm done with this project so I can take this apart and get it ready to load into the vehicle and move on to the next thing. So anyway, just a quick video showing you what I'm up to, some ideas on touching up some of your nicked DJ equipment. This could be a speaker grill or anything else. Yeah, the Sharpie, of all things, the Sharpie really does a decent job. Is it perfect? No, but you know what? It's better, and better is better than nothing. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.